Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's looking a bit miserable and the lighting's not really good at the moment, but basically in the UK currently it is wet, it's windy, it's miserable, it's dull outside, so no wonder. Obviously I need better lighting, but that'll come in due time. So we're just using my ring light and this natural lighting that's not really working out at the moment. So yes, in today's video I am upholstering, tufting my headboard, which I've been meaning to do for a really long time now. I've always wanted to do like a DIY video, and today is the day I do it. So I'm just going to use my old headboard and revamp that. So obviously it's got the wood in it, it's got the padding in it, so I'm just going to change up the material, add a bit of, you know, me to it. So most of the things I ordered is actually from Amazon. There's only like 2 other things which I ordered which is not from Amazon, which I'll show you in a second, but this is my Amazon order. And in that box, let me show you, so this is my staple gun, and I'm really chuffed about that because I'm going to be stapling everything. So I think it comes with some gloves as well, just in case. And then I've got like some material. So I bought 2, and this is my material. It's like a grey suede material, and I think it'll fit in with my room a lot better than my cream one, which is the one I currently have. And with these materials, they come pre-cut, so you can't really give them your measurements, etc, etc. So it's like 150 centimeters times 100, so it's fairly big. And the last thing I ordered, which was these cover buttons. So this is what it looks like. So they come in a pack of 6, and they're 15 millimeters. So they come with like the thing that you can make your button with. So you just put a piece of material in it, and I think you like pop it out somehow. I've never done it before, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it works out. So let's go and take down my headboard and see. Hopefully I don't break it, fingers crossed, and see if I can upholster it, or whatever it's called. So I actually can't wait. So let me go and take it down, and then I'll be right back. So I was playing around with the settings, and I think this looks much better, or maybe because there's like a reflection from the cream that's like hitting me, that's making me look lighter. So I'm going to take off these panels now. Luckily this comes with a staple remover, because there's staples in it, and I was thinking, how am I going to get them off? So I'm glad I bought this one. I swear, even as a girl, I feel like it's good to have tools. You know, some people are like, no, that's a guy's job, but girl, you need to be independent and know how to do things. So yes, I think this is, how do you do it? Oh, I swear I'm gonna like step on one of these later and pierce a hole in my foot. So I'm gonna go and take all these staples out, and I'm gonna fast forward this bit. Okay, so I'm back. I've taken out so many staples, as you can see, and I'm not even done yet. Like, look at all these staples that I've just taken out. So let me just put them in here, because I feel like I'm going to step on them otherwise. Oh, what are these? Oh my lord. And my finger is like getting sore, because you know when you're like this, your finger's underneath it and you're kind of like scooping it out. Like my finger's getting caught, and it's hurting. Okay, so let's just remove this. I don't know if it's going to go dark now because I'm removing that. And this is what it looks like underneath. I don't know whether it's so many holes in it. So this is what it looks like, and it has padding and then more staples. Joy to the world. I'm going to remove these and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's probably been like 2 hours, I'm not even exaggerating. It took me so long just to get the second batch off, and my hands were hurting, so I had to put the gloves on. Oh my days, imagine when you think it's over, you have one left. So literally use the screwdriver and then use this, get it out. Okay, yeah, so, oh, why is it stuck? Are you joking? They've glued this as well. This is just the great, I tell you. It says that. I'm going to prepare these little covers and then just sew it in, and then later on staple it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I don't know how to do this, so let's see. Then again, I need material, so I just want to see how much spare I've got. So this I do okay. I can just cut some from the end. This much. This over the top and then press. Just like that, it is done. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm getting somewhere, and obviously, let me show you. It's not what I expected it to be like, because I think it needs more padding to make it more deep. But aside from that, it's okay, it will do. And the gaps are a bit, you know, it's a bit awkward because it's one's bigger than the other. Okay, so it's literally 1:30 in the morning, if you can see that, and 2 hours later I have no thread, so I was literally scrapping for like little bits of thread left over. So I was trying to, oh, it was so long. So I finally finished, so now I'm going to put it onto the board and see if I can staple some. Hopefully it's not too noisy because it's early in the morning. Do you know what? It's a bit too early in the morning to do this. As in, I'd happily do this now, but I feel like neighbours are gonna shout at me. They're gonna come knocking on the door, which they always do anyways, so I don't want that to happen because they always complain to my landlord. So I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll be up early in the morning to finish this off, so probably like 6 in the morning, hopefully, if I can wake up at 6 o'clock. I'm going to finish this off because it's taken me way too long. So I'll see you in the morning looking raggedy. Night. So I look rough because it's 8:30 in the freaking morning. I need more sleep. So I'm just going to finish the rest of this, my headboard. I'm going to stand up like this because I can't fold it properly. So with my first one, I'm pulling it straight, so then it creates like a straight line, and then fold it over like that. It's not bad. And then I'm gonna staple it right at the back. So okay, just like that for now. You can see, pull it like that, and you can see like it folds over. So with that fold, look, use it. So pull it. This one doesn't really create one, so I'm going to create one myself. Okay, and then we'll just staple it. Tuck, pull, staple, tuck, pull, staple, tuck, pull, staple. Find my holes. Okay, and there we have it. That's it. So I'm going to show you properly now. Okay, so as you can see, I've put it up and I've put my pillows down as well. I've changed my bedding just to fit the vibe, so I'll show you pictures of it after. I think it looks kind of ratchet, like I can tell that I've done it. They don't look even, so you know when you're sewing it, it doesn't, yeah, I didn't really sew it evenly, even though when I did it on the white spongy thing, it looked even. I measured it all out, it was even. So I think when it came to me sewing it, I made a mistake, and there's things that I could improve on. So like I said earlier, which was stapling it maybe to make it more like cinched in and attached to the board, rather than just doing it and then kind of like wrapping it around and tightly whatever. Oh, if you want to know where this bedding comes from, it comes from B&M. I think it was like £15. I think £15. Yeah, so that's my DIY headboard. I don't think it looks that okay. It looks alright. We'll get over it. I think it looks better than the cream, so it fits my room now. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like these DIY videos. If you've got any suggestions, leave a suggestion down below of what I can do, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.